Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT Note 9, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So just to do that, we should open the phone application and then tap on the right upper corner to the three dots. Then just click here to the settings section and find here the block numbers. Then you'll see here our blacklist, and just to unblock one from these numbers here in blacklist, we should just click once on this X icon. After that, just tap here to unblock. Now we can see here the message that this number unblocked successfully. And just by the same way, we should click on the X icon, tap to unblock to just remove the second number from the blacklist. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.